Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to close Interactive Broker's account step by step. Log in, navigate to account management, withdraw funds, sell or transfer positions, and submit a formal close account request. Check email for confirmation and any outstanding fees, then monitor the final statement to ensure zero balance. Stay calm and keep records of confirmations, screenshots, and transaction ID to avoid delays or disputes during the final processing. In this video, I will explain how to close Interactive Broker's account step by step. First, confirm settled cash and pending trades, then cancel open orders and cover margin loans. Choose transfer or liquidation based on costs, using a CATS for equities or wire for cash withdrawals. Keep tax documents like Form 1099 and update your cost basis if you transfer positions. Communicate with both brokers to ensure smooth asset movement and clear balances. In this video, I will explain how to close Interactive Broker's account step by step. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. Check the description for the link and other deals. It is great for reading quotes and tax notes on the go. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear tutorials. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to close Interactive Broker's account step by step. Go to Account Settings, select Close Account, and follow on-screen prompts to confirm identity and reason for closure. Review warnings about tax reports and inactive accounts, then submit the request and note the confirmation number. Allow a few business days for review, and check your email for final approval or additional instructions to finish the closure cleanly and securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.